To download Venmo on your iPhone, start by unlocking your device and locating the App Store. The App Store is a pre-installed application on all iOS devices and can be found on your home screen. Open the App Store by tapping on the icon. Once the App Store is open, you will see a variety of featured apps and a search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on the search bar and type in Venmo using the keyboard. As you type, a list of search results will appear below the search bar. Look for the Venmo app, which is developed by Venmo, and tap on the Get button next to it. If you are prompted to sign in to your Apple ID, enter your password or use Touch ID or Face ID to authenticate. After you have initiated the download, the Get button will change to an Install button. Tap on the Install button to start the download process. The Venmo app will begin to download and install on your iPhone. Wait for the download to complete. This should only take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, the Install button will change to an Open button. Tap on the Open button to launch the Venmo app. When you open the Venmo app for the first time, you will be prompted to sign up or log in if you already have an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in to your existing account. After you have signed up or logged in, you can start using Venmo to send and receive money, split bills with friends, and make purchases at participating merchants. Make sure to review and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before using the app. It is also a good idea to set up a secure password and enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. By following these steps, you can easily download and start using Venmo on your iPhone.